What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Scott's Garage. Here's Jude.
What the f***'s poppin', everybody?
We got a hell of a video today. We got some work done, work to do. Got an oil change, oil change. As you can see, we did the snorkels last video, before last ride, and well, also my GoPro died before the end of last ride. What you didn't see was Jude had to tow me back because Jude had to tow me back because I pulled over to the side of the road and it died on me. Didn't want to start up. Didn't get that on camera though, unfortunately.
Yeah, and it was pouring down rain.
Yeah, and it was also pouring down rain. So we're gonna do an oil change. We got a K&N air filter on the way. Hopefully that'll fix it. But the big thing about today is, Jude, if you want to do the reveal here. I did the snorkel kit. Jude got a little jealous. He had to get a big upgrade of his own. There it is.
Yeah. The RJWC slip-on exhaust.
So mine might look good. Jude's gonna sound good, hopefully. If all goes according to plan. There's Scott's piece of junk Polaris.
Frig everything up.
Wait, we all have Polarises. Yeah, now it's go easy. Probably best keeping it on here. There it goes. There she is.
There,
now look at your plug. Is there metal on it? Yeah. Not bad. You're shaving.
God, you see my twirl.
No, we thought the issue was that there was no oil in it.
Right.
So now that it's flowing, so who knows what the problem is now.
Don't ask me, I have no idea.
Just want that premium, best of the best, straight from Polaris. 2 things of oil. On account of, I need oil, on account of an oil change. With the filter, 2 quarts.
What we got in here? A box of goodies?
2 quarts. Hopefully it's the right stuff. If not, it's like I'll be buying a new 4-wheeler.
The right oral.
The right oral. You want to get him? Where's he at? So see him, he's that black guy.
Whoa.
See that black guy back there? Right there? Yeah. You grab him with this. Just yank him. No, just give it one left turn and it should crack and you can spin off by hand.
It's not, it's going in the pan.
Dude, there's a lot of oil in this for not having no oil. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'd
Let me see that. How bad is it? It's milky. It doesn't look horrible. Oh, you see water in it? No. I mean, it's pretty dark for being just changed. I did just get my oil change.
Well, you think you got your oil
Yeah, I
changed.
paid for it, and it probably didn't get done. Well, we're not allowed back there, so. Thanks, Unlimited. Shout out.
Shout out to Unlimited for hooking us up with nothing. We hooked them up with like 250 bucks for nothing. The problem was we thought Michael's 4-wheeler broke down because it didn't have any oil in it.
Oral.
Didn't have any oil in it, but come to find out right now that there's a lot
What
of
the problem was, the oil was black.
there's a lot of oil in there.
Oil is really black. But there was a lot of oil in it. I'm surprised.
How to have black oil.
For
well,
a while. How to have black oil.
Wait, never mind.
Let me show you what we got to do. So, tell him, Jude. Tell him what we got to do here.
What we got to do here on a counter, we got to take this off, right?
Yeah.
That's the goal. So there's a bolt up here that we got to kind of take off, and then on the other counter there's another bolt right here. We got to take that one off, and after that we got to unscrew this bad boy right here. Get rid of both of these. Well, not really get rid of them, but
detach him.
And then once we detach him, we can go ahead and throw on the new one.
Because it's just a slip on, so you just
Yeah.
unbolt it and bolt it back on.
Slip it on.
Slip it on. And then the hard part is, well, I don't know if it's a hard part, but then you got a tuner.
Yeah, I don't know anything about that. So I bought one, but I don't know how to tune it.
You just plug it in and hit a button.
Yeah, that's all.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this done.
Shout out to RJWC with the stickers.
Those are some solid stickers.
Here I am jacking up this side by side.
Get exhausted. Yeah, you got to throw them on her. You got to throw them on her.
Yeah. Hello, eventually.
All right, so here's the situation we got going on here. We're struggling a little bit. We're getting along here. Give me a light.
Where's the bolt you
Let me see
pulled
this.
out from that?
Right here.
Oh, nice.
So we're getting these washers together. You got the rubber one on the bottom, rubber one on the top, plus the metal washer. The bolt goes through the top there, and then the nut that squeezes are all in tight. And you got to do that there, right there, and then the springs here. All right, we're trying to get these springs on here. Scott's making fun of me because of the noises I'm making. Careful. There she goes. Look at that.
Nice. Beautiful.
Good job.
Alright,
Let me see it. See that? That's pure strength right there. There's not a single human being in the world that could do that single-handedly. Well, guys,
For that?
so we had some issues because me and Jude are stupid, and Scott gives us misdirections.
Come on!
But essentially, it's just the same thing right there and right there. The rubber piece on the bottom, on the top, and then the washer, then the bolt goes through. Same thing there. Put the springs on right there and there onto those two clips. She's ready to rock. She's on there, and now we got to tune it,
yeah.
which we know nothing about. But
I know this connects to the battery, and this connects to something else, and then on account of you tune it.
kind of you hit a button and it's good to go. But she's on there. She looks good. She needs to wipe down a little bit, get the smudges off her, but looks good.
Yeah.
Looking good. Looking good.
We started up and see what it sounds like, anyways.
Just for comparison. Boo. Yeah, start it up. We'll see what she sounds like.
Huh?
Well, he can do whatever he wants. I would tune it first, but.
Alright, well, we'll listen to Scott.
Well, just start with it's not gonna hurt anything.
Go ahead.
According to Scott, it's gonna hurt
Fire it
something.
up.
Well, Scott makes me nervous about everything I do now.
Sounds really good.
That was pretty solid.
I think that's it. Now, let me see something. So I think that goes into that. Plug those together.
It's gonna like click or something?
Yeah, it should.
Sure about that?
You know.
And so here's what we got working with. You got the ground wire on the tuner. You just wired it through there and then down and yonder, and then up through here.
Mike, try.
And then we're gonna get him to right there.
Throw it. Too small.
Odell Beckham, Brian.
That bolt right there.
Try it again. It says 13 was too big. Doesn't work.
She's gone. She's gone now. She's gone now.
Four-wheeler rated alive.
That thing's in there.
Who
Golly.
knows where that thing's at?
The flashlight.
Maybe you just gotta call the bitch. Fucking bitch. Oh, that didn't work.
Usually that works.
Soft right there.
Yeah. All right, boys and girls, the new oral's going in. Get her in there, huh?
Nice and easy, don't spill it. Nice and easy. You got all night cord in there. Don't lose one.
Nope. Spilled a tiny bit.
Come on.
Well, you're not doing your flashlight, dude, so, you know. Alright, well, she got oil, so. Check the spark plug. It's not a good sign.
I got it. I got it.
That's not a good sign for Tuesday.
And that is how you put oil into a Sportsman 570.
Yes, it is. That's how you do it.
That is how you do it. I know that was extremely exciting watching that right there.
And if you don't know how to shred Polaris Sportsman 570, I mean, tons of videos on the channel. You can learn how to do that. And then you have to do this all the time because you break it. Alright, first try. Should we put the filter on?
What the fuck's that?
Dead battery. Battery dead.
Yes. What's that? Is that oil on there?
Looks like it.
Yeah, plenty of oil.
It's because I just spilled oil all over
That's
the place.
probably all it is. It's probably the oil you spilled.
Yeah. Boys. Alright, boys, we got the spark plug pulled out, cleaned up, put back in, cleaned up the whole thing. We're going to see if she starts now. Battery's dead.
Battery's dead, boys. Battery's dead.
Stay tuned. Uh-oh. She ain't tuned right. Still gotta get the tuning down, but sure does sound good. It's ridiculously loud. It sounds really good though. I gotta admit. Mine doesn't have a sound at all. Here's the current situation with mine is we tipped it up on its back two wheels. I'm gonna try to start it and we forgot the dipstick. We never put it in the whole way. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna retire. Tilted up and we just saw all the brand new oil I just put in just flowing onto the ground. Jesus Christ. So, hell yeah. So we're gonna put some new gas in her and See if that helps, I guess. Maybe it had bad gas in it. Or there's water in it. With the one headlight. One-eyed Willie. She's a little loud, Jude.
Is that loud?
Is it uncomfortable to ride so loud or no?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
It's so loud.
It is ridiculous.
Man, it looked like it's so loud.
I was
Nodding up there too. I was just like,
to be honest, I don't think it really muffled it at all from being straight.
No.
No
it makes
muffler
it sound
on it.
better, but it was just as loud.
It's just as loud. It was so loud. It sounds really good though. I really like it a lot.
It sounds like straight pipes a little like deeper. I don't know.
No, it sounds great. All right, breaking news.
Breaking news.
She's alive. Look at all the oil burning off of it because it's the whole engine and the whole four-wheeler is covered in oil because we're f***ing idiots. So we're thinking the problem was bad gas or there was water. There was water in the gas. So we siphoned out the other gas and put good gas that Scott had in it. And it started, it wanted to start and it was cutting off and on. But then we finally got it to go. And now we're just letting it run. Just let this new gas, this good gas cycle through it and run through it. Look at all that oil burning off. That's probably not safe.
No, it needs washed bad. We don't want it to get to a point of catching on fire.
It smells bad over here. It smells hot.
Yeah. I just wanted it to run for a few minutes.
All right, boys. So Jude's is almost set up. We still gotta figure out the tune. It's Velcroed.
It's
The
in there.
belt exhaust thing. But the light's not coming on, so we gotta figure out the tune.
I don't know what's wrong.
Mine,
Connected.
she's hurting, boys.
She's sleeping outside tonight.
She's sleeping outside because she's covered in oil.
Might catch on fire too. You never know.
She's got some issues, boys. She's hurting. She needs help. She needs to see a doctor. But I mean, we got some work done tonight. That's what the plan was, and it's
We've been here for like 5 hours.
it's 1:30. We've been here for a while. It's time to head home. Hopefully we don't run out of gas.
Check this out.
See you boys on the next one.